N.R.T. here, guys. So I'm cleaning up the mess. I know, probably gonna get called a hoarder, but am I really a hoarder? Because I'm cleaning it up right now. That's the 7th load in the backhoe. Basically, long story short, this is basically, see, the little shop. When you're working on stuff gets thrown on the ground, and that's always gets a mess. So what I would do is I'd scoop it all up, and dump it all back here. And after years and years, I mean, there's tools all throughout here, and there's tons of crap and all the quads and stuff that are broke. And I've found, just in the little time I've been cleaning, I found a brand new OEM Polaris drain plug for the 450. I found a brand new brake disc for the 500. Yeah.